Greetings from the lower hillside. Today we're going to talk about Tsuga canadensis, or Canadian hemlock. There are 3 large specimens right here in a row, as well as several other specimens on campus. The leaf arrangement is alternate. The leaf form is simple. And the leaf margin, believe it or not, is serrated. Very fine foliage. It is a tree, conifer and evergreen. It is considered large. Form is pyramidal. When it comes to soil, this plant prefers cool, moist, well-drained soils. Does that sound like the sandhills? It doesn't to me. So this plant, as we move forward, you'll see we're getting a little out of its comfort zone. Not so picky about water. I would say pruning is, for us, we just limb up as needed. But it is noteworthy that this is one of the best conifers for shearing into a hedge form. We do not have any in that landscape use for me to share with you on campus. Like I said, ours are just allowed to have their natural pyramidal form, and we have just recently limbed these up to allow passage underneath. Growth rate is considered average. Exposure to light is sun. Climactic hardiness zones 3 through 7. So that's what I was referencing. We're an 8, so we're kind of getting out of this guy's happy place. Landscape uses: hedge, naturalized setting, screen, or specimen. Flowers are considered insignificant. The fruit are profuse. They are a cone, brown, 1/2 to 1 inch, and not edible. As you can see right here, there are plenty of pendulous little cones on these specimens. As they ripen, they will open and flare outwards. Right now they're moist and not quite ripe just because of the rain we've had this morning. Autumn color is not applicable. Leaf texture is considered fine. For other leaf details, it is noted that there are 2 whitish stripes on the underside of the leaves. So you can kind of see that in this video right there at my thumbnail. You can see the underside there, and there's 2 whitish stripes. No notable bark characteristics. Only one cultivar of note. It's Sargentii, Sargentii. It is a spreading weeping form. Pests or diseases: blister rust, ambrosia beetle, stem and heart rot, and in the mountains of North Carolina, the woolly adelgid is a terrible insect that is creating mass devastation of this plant. It is a North Carolina native. It is a U.S. native. It is not invasive. I dare say it's not salt tolerant. It is susceptible to stress in dry periods in the sandhills. Grows best when shaded in the south. Intolerant of wind pollution, of excess wind, excess drought, and pollution. So this one is temperamental at best. We are, like I said, in the hillside, and then there are several others scattered around. You don't have to look far to find this plant. Thanks.